The HWM PermaNET with LNS is very simple to install and now made easier with the GeoInstaller app. To activate the logger, hold the magnetic base of the LNS against the bottom of the PermaNET logger. Using a smartphone, load and log into the GeoInstaller app. Scan the PermaNET barcode and then the app will find your location if GPS is enabled. Enter your site ID. Place the PermaNET into the chamber, following the label orientation. Secure the antenna and place the magnetic base of the LNS onto the pipe or hydrant. The PermaNET can be supplied with one of 3 different antennas. The V-torch, which suits large hydrant chambers, the T-bar, ideal for shallow valve chambers, and the MagPot, which is ideal for deep chambers. Then you can take the photos of the install site, followed by a photo of the PermaNET installation itself. Upload the photos to the app. Your install is now complete.